Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 30-2, Chapter 3, Section 3, Probability Using Counting Methods. Now, a couple more questions and then we're done. Bo hosts a morning radio show in Saskatoon. To advertise his show, he's holding a contest at a local mall. He spells out Saskatchewan letter tiles. Then he turns the tiles face down and mixes them up. He asks Sally to arrange the tiles in a row and turn them face up. If the row of the tiles spells Saskatchewan, Sally will win a new car. Determine the probability that Sally will win the car. Okay? Oh, sorry. With letter tiles, determine the probability that Sally will win the new car. Letter tiles and probability. Now, this one's nasty. Well, it looks nasty, but if you think about it, probability to spell Saskatchewan. Well, how many ways are there to spell the word Saskatchewan? Well, there's one way to spell it properly. But how many ways can you arrange the letters in the word Saskatchewan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 factorial ways to arrange the letters. And what repeats we have? We have one pair of S's. We have a pair of three A's. One K, one Q, one C, one H, one E. Right. So just 2 factorial, 3 factorial. I think that's 30. So when I did that, that's 39,916,800. I double check that because I'm getting old. Turn on. Go. Factorial divided by 2 divided by 3 factorial. Yes, I should have divided by 2 factorial, but 2 factorial and 2 are the same. 39,916,800. So this is 1 in 39,916,800. Now I'm not turning that into a decimal because that's just freaking small. And what's the odds of the? Odds? We talked about that. What's the probability of spelling Saskatchewan? Pretty much 0. Okay. Now, suppose the contest word was Saskatoon. Would Sally's probability of winning be greater or less? Well, I think it's greater. And I'll show you. Because probability spell Saskatoon. One way to spell Saskatoon, but how many letters are there? And do we have repeats? Yes, we do. We have a pair of S's, and a pair of A's, everything else, a pair of O's, and a K, Q, and all right, so what is that? Smaller. I know it is. 9 and factorial. Divided by 2 factorial is 2. 45,000. 360. So that's 1 in 45,360. 1 in 45,000. That's a lot better odds. A lot better probability. Probability and odds are different, guys. It's a lot better probability of spelling Saskatoon. Oh. The missing word is greater. So, yeah. Sometimes, even at 1 in 45,000, I'm still not betting money on that. I'm not driving across town to play that game, especially to play that game, because it's not worth it. Okay? Alright, so that's fairly straightforward. Now I have to end out with something nasty to make you think. So, there are 18 bikes in Marnie's spinning class. The bikes are arranged in 3 rows of 6 bikes. Allison, Brett, Carol, Doug, Eric, and Franco each call the gym to reserve a bike. They hope to be in the same row, but they cannot request a specific bike. Determine the probability that all 6 friends will be in the same row with Allison and Franco at either end. So how do we do this? Oh, sorry, either end. So how do we set this up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 in a row. We want Allison and Franco to be at either end, so that's our restriction. We have 2 and 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, the other 4 guys. So that is 2 factorial times 4 factorial. Factorial times 4 equals 48. So that's 48 ways we can line up in one row. Okay, in one row, but how many rows are there? 3 rows. So it's 3 times this. 3 times 48, which is 1, 12. Oh, I'm having a brain fart here. Just do this. 3 times answer is 144. So there's 144 ways for them to line up in a row. Now, how many ways are there for them to line up? Now, the problem is, I think that's permutation, because order is important. How many ways can 18 people line up? That's a lot. 6.402 times 10 to the 15. Yeah, that sucks. The odds of them, 3 of them, the 6 of them being in a row. Probability in a row is 144 divided by 6.402 times 10 to the 15. And that's a horrible fucking small decimal. Basically 0. It's not quite 0 because in theory can happen, but they're not that many. Right? And yeah, that's nasty, but if you can do that, I'm impressed, I'm happy, and you can handle everything in your garage. Alright? Now, go work on some of the classwork questions. If you've got problems, shoot me an email or see me in class. Good luck.